If you have noticed that your Wi-Fi keeps behaving strangely after heavy rain, well, it's important for you to note that outdoor interference sources or moisture related issues can affect signal quality and stability, especially in larger compounds and office spaces. Find this tip helpful? You can follow Zora Link Limited for more. And if you're in need of reliable internet services, you can check our website at zoralink.ng or you call the number that will come up on the screen now.